Hello, friends. Today I am reading for the first time an English story. Please pardon me if my pronunciation is a little different. This post I am resharing. Once upon a time, a cow went out to graze in jungle. Suddenly, she noticed a tiger racing towards her. She turned and fled, fearing that at any moment the tiger would sink his claws into her. The cow desperately looked for some place to escape. At last, she saw a shallow pond. Barely evading the tiger's reach, she jumped into the pond, and in the heat of the chase, the tiger blindly leaped after her. To the surprise of them both, the pond was extremely shallow yet filled with deep recesses of mud. After toppling over each other, the cow and the tiger found themselves a short distance apart, stuck in the mud up to their necks. Both had their heads above water, but they were unable to free themselves no matter how much they withered. The tiger repeatedly snarled at the cow and roared, I am going to enjoy the sound of crunching your bones between my teeth. He thrashed about in fury, but soon became fretful as he found no prospect of escape. The cow thoughtfully laughed at the tiger, struggled to free himself, and asked him, Do you have a master? The tiger disdainfully replied, I am the king of the jungle. Why do you ask me if I have a master? I am myself the master. The cow said, You may be the king of the jungle, but here all your power has failed to save your life. And what about you? Retorted the tiger. You are going to die here in this mud too. The cow smiled mildly and said, No, I am not. If even I, the king of the jungle, cannot free myself from this mud, snapped the tiger, then how can you, an ordinary cow? The cow gently replied, I cannot free myself from this mud, but my master can. When the sun sets and he finds me absent at home, he will come looking for me. Once he finds me, he will raise me up and escort me home, sweet home. The tiger fell silent and coldly glared at the cow. Soon enough, the sun set and the cow's master arrived. He immediately recognized the plight she was in and lifted her to safety. As they walked home, the cow and the master both felt renewed gratitude for one another and pitied the tiger they both would have been happy to save only if the tiger had allowed him. The cow here represents surrendered heart. The tiger represents an egoistic mind, and the master represents the guru. The mud represents the world, and the chase represents that struggle for existence therein. Debrief. Moral of the story. It is good to be independent and not rely on anyone, but don't take it to an extreme. You always need a partner or a coach or a mentor who will be always on the lookout for you. Having them does not mean you are weak. It is just that you can be stronger with their help. It's a really very good story. Do you like it?